If you are using your phone mic or your chip mic, you need to use this AI from Adobe. This AI from Adobe can remove the noise from your voice and enhance your speech. All you need to do is to go to this website, or you can find it in the description. Then you need to upload your audio file. I'll let them do the work. And I can tell you, this takes time, like 5 to 10 minutes, and depends on your audio length, but the result is worth it. Now just hit download to download the enhanced file and you're ready to go. Even if you have a video file, you can just export this in Adobe Premiere or any program you want. And just go to Adobe Podcast, then just drag and drop your enhanced file. Now let's check the result. So this is my voice without the AI. This is my voice after using the AI. The audio sound more crispy and no noise at all, and it's very close to a broadcast sound or the studio sound, whatever you need to call it. And this is another test which I'm gonna use. This chip mic, which I bought it just for about $2 or $3. So let's check this out. This is the mic sound without any edit. And this is the sound after I use the Adobe AI. So have fun with this AI tool, and thank you for watching the video.